People hear automation and think of robots. I hear automation and think of freedom, because every time I automated something, I won back some of my time. Time to rest, to play with my dog. Trust me, that's wild. To have some quality time with my partner. Here's how. Before, I'd spend hours every week trying to remember who opened my last email, who clicked, who didn't. It was chaos. I was running a business manually and burning out doing it. Then I sit down and ask myself, how can I do less and earn more? Your subconscious will find the answers for you if you ask the right questions. It did for me. That's how I built a simple workflow that changed everything. My 3-step $5,000 a month automation formula looks like this. Step 1, automate your welcome sequence. Every new subscriber gets 10 emails automatically, story, value, and soft nudge to check my offer. It builds trust before you even show up. Step 2, automate your follow-ups. Set up one smart rule. If someone clicks your product link but doesn't buy, they get a short follow-up email. They ask questions. I answer. People feel seen and understood and buy. Step 3, automate your delivery. Once someone buys, your product or newsletter access goes out automatically. You keep writing. The system keeps selling. I built this once, and now it runs every single day while I'm walking, writing, or offline completely. That's how I make consistent $5,000 a month working just 2 hours a day. Because automation doesn't replace your work. It scales the result of it. So if you do one thing this week, set up one automation, just one. Even if it's a simple welcome email that goes out when someone subscribes. It's the first step to making your creativity work for you even when you're not on. If you want to learn the full workflow, the exact automation setup that runs my newsletter business, it's inside my free hands-on masterclass, link in the description. You'll also get a free workbook with 5 steps to build, launch, sell, and automate your first product with 21 tangible assets to make your offer irresistible, and the ultimate sell without selling formula I use to sell at high conversion rates. I'm sure you'll love this. I see you in the masterclass.